This experiment didn't fail because people were evil. It failed because they were normal. No one forced them. No one threatened them. No one told them to become cruel. They were given a role and permission to act within it. That was enough to break human behavior. In the summer of 1971, a group of young men answered a simple advertisement, a psychology study, 2 weeks, paid participation. They were screened carefully, no mental illness, no violent history, no signs of instability. They were not criminals, they were not sadists. They were students. Half of them were randomly assigned to be prisoners. The other half became guards, and nothing else about them changed. The prison wasn't real, but it didn't need to be. A basement was transformed, cells were built, doors locked, cameras installed. Prisoners lost their names, they became numbers. Guards received uniforms, dark glasses, batons. No instructions to be violent were given. They were only told to maintain order. At first, everything felt awkward, almost like acting. Guards laughed, prisoners joked. Then something subtle changed. Guards began enforcing rules. Prisoners began asking permission. Authority didn't arrive loudly. It settled in quietly. Uniforms stopped feeling like costumes. Numbers replaced faces. Distance replaced empathy. Within days, guards stopped seeing themselves as participants. They saw themselves as authority. Punishments appeared, not ordered, not planned. Extra exercises, sleep deprivation, public humiliation. Prisoners stopped resisting. Some stopped speaking. Some broke down completely. The role was no longer something they played. It became who they were. Here is the detail most people miss. No one thought they were doing something wrong. Guards believed they were maintaining order. Prisoners believed they deserved punishment. Observers believed this was just an experiment. Everyone felt justified. That is what made it dangerous. Some prisoners developed severe emotional distress, not because of physical pain, but because their identity collapsed. They stopped seeing themselves as individuals. They accepted the system's definition of them. When identity dissolves, resistance disappears. You might ask, why didn't someone stop this sooner? The answer is uncomfortable. Because everyone was inside the system. Even the researchers, even the observers, even the ones with authority. The system rewrote morality. The experiment was supposed to last 2 weeks. It was stopped after 6 days. Not because the system failed, but because someone from outside noticed something was wrong. Inside the system, it felt normal. This experiment didn't reveal monsters. It revealed how fragile human behavior is. Put ordinary people in the right conditions. Give them authority. Remove accountability. And control disappears quietly. The most dangerous systems don't feel dangerous. They feel reasonable. They feel structured. They feel necessary. And by the time someone notices control is gone, everyone is already playing their role.